Sir, आज 15 फायनान्स कमिशनातून कितें डिमांड केला?
See, first of all, I briefed them about Goa's position vis-a-vis whether it is Planning Commission or Finance Commission. I have told them that I had interacted with the 13th Finance Commission headed by Vijay Kilkar. And as the Chief Minister, I had interacted with Monte Singh Ahluwalia, then Chairman of Planning Commission, Vice Chairman of Planning. Now, every time when we look at funds evaluation or funds in the form of grant, they always look at the parameters like the state which is performing, state which has high rate of literacy, state which has high per capita income, state which fulfills all the parameters. That state is always penalized, which I highlighted. I said Goa cannot be penalized just because we are performing well. I give an example. If a mother has 2 children, one gets always 80%, 85%. One gets 30%, 35%. Mother will definitely give more attention to the child which gets 30, 35%. But at the same time, she will see that the child which gets 85% is not neglected. Otherwise, the stage will come that 30-35% guy will improve and go to 50%, and the person who is getting 85% will come down to 40%. So I told him that sort of situation should not come because of your policy matters. He has said that he will look into it. Because Goa, as per this Goa fulfills most of the parameters. Goa is performing state. They also admit Goa is, and they have a report. I told to him that there is a report prepared by the Finance Commission, which clearly mentions that Goa's fund collection vis-a-vis the tax generation is the highest. That means they also admit that there is a limit to what extent Goan people can be taxed further. Which had even leader of opposition as the member. So everybody gave inputs to the government, and then in one voice we gave one memorandum. Unfortunately, I had raised it in the assembly last time also. I told that you take us, all the stakeholders, into confidence. So there is one unanimous memorandum to the Finance Commission. But they had already submitted which I got through newspaper. Some paper has brought it. And then we were to prepare our memorandum. We said that we support whatever memorandum is given by the way. In addition to that, we have demanded them special focus. But main thing is what I have told him, that at least on the principle that 50% should come to the state of Goa of the total taxes which center collects from the state of Goa. This is the basic crux of it.
Although Goa हो निमाणो स्टेट आशिल्लो जंय 15 फायनान्स कमिशन विजीट केलो. आमी हो परत इशू रेज केल्लो विधानसभेक, आमचे CLP लिडरान रेज केल्लो, विधानसभेचे भायर आमी हो इशू रेज केल्लो की 15 फायनान्स कमिशन गोंया येवपा सोदता आनी गोंयचो सरकार ती टाळाटाळ करता आनी तेजेर गोंयचें लुकसाण. एक प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट ऑलरेडी प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियाक सबमीट केलो. आमचे लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशनान जेन्ना इशू विधानसभेक रेज केल्लो त्या टायमार गोंयचो तेन्नाचो मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकरान सांगलेलें की गोंयच्या सगळ्या पक्षां कडेन उलोवन आमी एक रिपोर्ट कंपायल करून सगळ्यांची कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन रिपोर्ट आमी सबमीट करता. आमकां आयज कळ्ळें की हो रिपोर्ट सबमीट जालो म्हणून, आनी गोंयच्या कोणाकूच कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवना, गोंयच्या खंयच्याच पार्टीक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयनासतना चोरून दिल्ल्या भशेन हो रिपोर्ट तेणी तांकां धाडून दिल्या. बाकी सगळे स्टेटींनी सगळे पार्टींक इनवॉल्व केल्यात, स्टेक होल्डरांक इनवॉल्व केल्यात, जे इकॉनॉमिस्ट जे फायनान्शियल एक्सपर्ट आसा तांकां इनवॉल्व केल्यात, आनी आमचो गोंयचो सरकार भायल्या भायर रिपोर्ट धाडटा. आमकां आयज आजून सुद्दां फिगर एक्चुअली खबर ना. एंड दे 15 फायनान्स कमिशन वॉज ऑल्सो सरप्रायज that local political parties were not taken into confidence while preparing that memorandum. Now, although we supported the demands that the ruling party has put before the 15th Finance Commission, without seeing in the interest of Goa, we said Goa is already on very high on debts. The total liabilities of the state stands to around 22,000 crores, which is almost working out to be 19% of the effective budget, not the actual budget, but the effective budget, which is high. Considering all the constraints and our state is going through, we have put forward various demands. One is that Goa is going through global warming, and ह्या ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंगाच्या ह्या इशू खातीर वॉटर कशें करून कन्जर्व करपा जाता, उदक कशें करून सांबाळपा जाता, ह्या हेजेर आमी जवळ जवळ 1200 क्रोर्स आमी स्टेटी खातीर डिमांड केला, ज्या कारणान उदक प्रिजर्व करपा जातलें. ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंगाचो जो इफेक्ट
This
आसा
will also help us in executing the hydroelectric projects on Madri.
We told them that we are a very young regional party having a mind of its own when it comes to the needs of Goa. Now we've made several demands. We will give you the copy. We have basically demanded 6,000 crores for mining affected people. We have asked more funds to urban local bodies for solid waste management, sewage treatment and urban flooding. We have asked funds for public rapid transport system. We have asked compensation
Must
for
have
Andaman
adhered.
Island, which was gifted by the then government. We have asked monetary benefits to strengthen the judiciary. We have asked for one-time grant of 200 crores for the 60th anniversary of Goa liberation and 75th anniversary of the Goa Revolution Day, both into 2021. We have said that we have been historically treated with injustice because of the Gargil Mukherjee formula, and we have missed out on the first finance commissions. So we say that we need special treatment. We said that we are the jewel in the crown of India, which Mr. M.K. Singh, the chairman of the commission, repeated at the fag end of his. They have also made a serious observation on the failure of the third tier, devolution of powers to the third tier. म्हळ्यार आमचे स्टेट फायनान्स कमिशन म्हणजे फेल जाल्लें आहा. आजो द जिल्हा इलेक्शन पार्टी लायन सगळे हे उलयतात, पूण जिल्हा इलेक्शन जावन कांय फायदो जावचो ना. इट वील बी ओन्ली एक आय वॉश, कित्याक तांकां डिवोल्युशन ऑफ पावर्सूच जावंक ना. दीस इज बीन ऑब्जर्वड बाय द 15 फायनान्स कमिशन. And third, they said there is an abject failure of this system called IPB. IPB केलें सगळें बरें दिसलें, पूण IPB जावन काय फुडें जायना, हालत ना. कित्याक हालना हो तुमचो प्रश्न आसा. सो बाय एंड लार्ज वी हॅव मेड रिप्रेझेंटेशन. वी हॅव ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड द कॉज पुट अप बाय द गव्हर्मेंट फॉर मोर फंड्स. बट आय बिलीव द गव्हर्मेंट इज आस्किंग चणे मागले हांवें येवन 200 कोटी आनी कितें अशें फायन पंचायतीचे कितें कमिशना कडेन मागिल्ल्या भशेन मागलें. They don't have the self-respect which is required for a state like Goa. Goa has its unique identity and it has its self-respect. We are one of the best performing states and we are being unjustly treated because we are the best performing state. अशें खपून येवंक जायना. हे उबे आयले आमकां वायट दिसत म्हणून भिवन मुरवतेन पयशे अशें मागले. आमचे कडल्यान रॉयल्टी म्हणून सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान चड पयशे घाले. आमी आमचेच पयशे पडले मागतात. ते मागूंक आमचो सरकार आतांचो भिला असो भिवूनचो असो अशें हालून सो तांणी डिमांड घाल्लो आहा.